Hey everyone, it's Jenny, and today I have got the Play by Sephora to unbox for you. I've already tried filming this video once and had an epic fail, so I'm going to try it again. So, here is my Play by Sephora. Most everybody knows it runs $10 a month, beauty subscription service through Sephora, where you can get sample size beauty items from makeup, skincare, hair care, all that fun stuff. And of course I'll leave the link down below if anybody's interested in signing up. I know a lot of people are familiar with it now. It's been out for a while. So let's see what's in the box. And of course you do get your Beauty Insider Play Pass, which gives you 50 extra bonus points, which is amazing. But what's not so amazing is you cannot redeem this online. You have to get Play online, but you can't redeem this card online. They need to fix that. Please, people at Sephora, listen to us. Because there's some stuff that I do have to get online from Sephora, because I only live close to a Sephora in Pennies, and they do accept these. But, you know, they don't carry all the stuff that a brick and mortar Sephora does. Anywho's, that's just my thought on it. I'm going to keep saying it every time I unbox one of these until they actually change it. So now the bag, if you want to call this an unbagging and unboxing, comes in a box. So I guess you could technically say it's an unboxing. But now we're going to unbag the beauty items. And this right here says 2018 Happy New Year. I think that's cute. That's cute. And let's see. I know they are trying to, you get the 5 beauty size sample items, and then you get your a bonus. It's a fragrance item, but I think they have before with me changed it to like a foil packet for hair care, and I'm pretty sure that's what I got in this. And it is. It's from Brigeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I have used this. I do really like it. I think it's really good. You know, it's a great one-time use, so not going to complain, although I'd rather have the little bottle that I've gotten in Ipsy before. And then next up, if I don't fling it across the room here, is from Glamglow. As you can see here, Glamglow, the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Super excited to try this. And let's read about it, shall we? It says, why you'll love it. In the day, feeling fresh with this powerful yet gentle cream to foam cleanser that removes every trace of makeup while maintaining moisture on your skin, which I appreciate a good moisturizing face wash. And I do like that it's a foaming one too. Squeeze a generous amount onto your hands, add water, and rub together to create a foamy lather. Massage over face morning and night. So you can use this in the morning to wash face, in the evening to wash face. So super excited to try this. I'm going on a trip to Disney soon, and I'll probably do a video of all the stuff I'm going to pack with me, and this may be coming along for the trip. Okay, next item is from Smashbox. Had another item in there. Smashbox new Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. I feel like I'm going to love this because I have dry skin. And this is the tiniest little baby vial of face primer I've ever seen. So this may go on the trip too. Because I don't use, you know, a whole lot of primer. Feels much like a moisturizer. Feels very nice on the skin. So, yeah. Smashbox makes my all-time favorite primer, the Photo Finish Iconic Primer. See if any information it's got for me. Oh, there it is, right in front of my face. Ultra creamy. Oh no, I'm reading the wrong one. Lightweight, non-greasy primer and moisturizer delivers deep hydration while prepping skin for makeup. So, sounds amazing. Next up, this is something I've used before, and it's from Lancome. I always feel like you have to say that so fancy, Lancome. It's the CILS Booster XL. I think that's what that's called. Yeah, the CILS Booster XL. It's a mascara primer. A creamy conditioning primer that preps lashes for a smooth application and a boost of drama. So you want to put this on and then apply your mascara right after. And this stuff does work really good. I've used it before. Okay, next up, probably another item that's going to go with me on my trip is the Clinique Pep-Start eye cream. I love me a good eye cream. I have to put eye cream on in the morning and at night because I have really dry under eyes. I'm actually using a Clinique eye cream and I love it. I may do a review on it, and I've had it in a favorites video, but I'm really digging it. So let's see what this says. A hydrating and brightening under eye cream that's easy to pop in your bag for pick-me-ups throughout the day. Using a circular motion, apply a small amount directly to under eye area in the morning or needed throughout the day. Perfect. And I got one more item, and this is from, I've heard it pronounced OleHenriksen, OleHenriksen. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments down below. And this is a Hygge, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It's a Hydraclay detox mask. Kaolin, 5 botanical oils, chamomile, flower extract, kaolin. So it's got stuff in there I can't pronounce. And directions: apply a thick layer to clean, dry face and neck. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse off with water or remove with a damp washcloth. Okay, follow with the serum, moisturizer of your choice. Use 2 to 3 times per week. So you don't want to use this daily. A hydrating, I'm reading the wrong one again. This is a gentle clay mask that draws out impurities and replenishes moisture with 5 botanical oils. Its calming formula is perfect for sensitive skin. So this is good for sensitive skin. I like to hear that. And so, you know, it's a quick 10-minute mask. I have to try and see how well I like it. I do like some masks like this. I think I've tried one from, oh, what is the brand name? Boscia. It's going to come to me. So that was everything I got in my Play by Sephora Play box bag. Like I said, however you want to call it. Let me know what you got in yours. I would love to know. I think they did do variants this month. So I love to see that. I love when people get different stuff. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Like I said, make sure you comment below. I'd love to know what you think about these items or what items you got. And make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed already. And that thumbs up. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.